Welcome back, guys, to another video here detailing the Gary. Today we're in the Honda. We're just gonna basically be cleaning like this plastic trim on the middle console area, and then just our gear leverage, and then our radio stuff probably, and then just basically show you guys what to use and its protectant it has, and then just go on from there. It's probably hard for you guys to tell, but like all in these like cracks and stuff, this literally has a whole bunch of little debris and stuff. And then probably with the brush you could get most of it off, but just to kind of moisten and stuff, you'll probably need just this probably, I would say. But either way, I'm gonna just spray it on there because it's a total interior cleaner, and it's also a protectant. If you guys haven't checked out other videos that I use this on. But basically, you're just gonna spray some on here. You don't need a whole lot since you're just getting all that nice light dust off, and then just kind of go wherever that dust is at. And then once you get kind of to like a drier spot, you can spray some more on there. But it's kind of nice instead of just using your brush, because it basically protects it as it says, and then you could use it dash, glass, navigation, and more. So if you want to protect your dash and all that, you can use it on your dash. But these couple days it's kind of been raining and stuff, so just kind of make a little quick video and stuff. So this one is kind of dirty, but it's alright. It'll do its job. And then just right off the bat, it's way more like that nicer black look. And then there's hardly any like dust in between, because I know those are spots where you get a lot of dust and stuff. But we're just gonna basically hit these corners like on the side. I'll try to move it up, kind of like right here and stuff, because there's kind of some right there, just to kind of get all that stuff out of there. And then you can use a microfiber towel to wipe, or if you want to dispose anything, you can use those blue towels. If you haven't checked out other videos, it's basically just those towels that come like paper towels basically, but they're blue. Basically almost like the ones that you will use in a shop and stuff. But now we got this thing looking real nice and clean. All this inside pieces and all that, they're all clean. So now we're just gonna basically hit kind of the gear leverage. Your hands are oily and stuff, so we kind of want to prevent from all that contamination from touching here, your steering wheel, your radio knob, and just basically get it nice and clean and protected. You could also start, I know I kind of started opposite. I should have started up here, so that way everything kind of falls here, so that way you don't have to basically be working all over the spots. But then just basically hit your spots right there, and then just kind of get around it. Some products are foamier than others, like this one is from Chemical Guys, but I know their leather cleaner, that one, as soon as you put it on the seat and stuff and just do a circle, it basically foams up right away. But this one, that's not the case, but it's still gonna keep it nice and protected, and that's what we want here. So now we got that nice good matte look. Now nice and smooth, there's no kind of sticky feeling. And then we'll just basically be cleaning this piece right here, and then the dash is pretty clean, so we probably won't need to kind of clean that. We'll just kind of do your best around the knobs. You don't want to clearly kind of like spray directly on there, just because it can damage anything inside there, like all the connections and stuff. So you don't really want to mess with that. Just kind of go lightly. And then also don't turn on your vehicle if not you're going to be hitting a whole bunch of buttons. But then basically, as that is, just wipe once again. Kind of just try to get your vest in between all those cracks and stuff. But now we basically got this thing looking nice and clean. And then it's basically protected against the sun. So whenever that sun hits it, it's nice and protected. Next, we could probably do these little vent areas, just since we're already at it. And then these you could always move up or down. And then just kind of go around it. Make sure to get that dust off. So now as we kind of finished there, this car is basically clean and protected. I've cleaned the door panels before. I put the leather protectant on that, and then also on this middle leather console area. Now we just cleaned this piece right here. There was a little bristle thing from the brush. So now we got our middle console clean, our dash. You could clean that too. We're just gonna show you guys real quick. That's basically our dash right there. So I'm just gonna get my microfiber towel, kind of just do 1-2 sprays, nothing too crazy, and then just kind of go around there, and then just kind of make sure you get all those areas. You can clean your dash every like 2 months, or whenever you start to see that there's dust on it. And this dash is nice and simple. Now we got it clean, there's no more dust, so now we're good. And then it's also protected, so you don't have to be worried about like sun damage and all that, just because whatever chemicals and stuff they put on here, it basically protects it. You can also use this on leather, vinyl, and then also glass. So it's just kind of cool that you have kind of protecting and stuff. So I'll be leaving all the links down below for you guys, so you guys can go check them out yourselves. I'm gonna show you guys the results real quick, and then that'll be it. All right, so as you guys can see, nice and clean. There is quite a little bit, some dust here and there, but if you want to get that nice cleaner look, you could go ahead and do a second pass. But I just kind of wanted to quick protect it and all that. But then we also got our dash clean, so that looks nice and good. We got our vents cleaned right here, so now those are nice and clean. And then we basically just did our whole radial setup, got our little thing cleaned here, removing all the oils just from your hands, you're touching dirty stuff, whatever, you get that clean. That is basically going to be it for today's video. Make sure to leave a comment down below on any futuristic videos you guys might want to see. But other than that, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more content, and see you guys next time. Peace.